Amazon Big Spring Sale March 20th, top 12 deals you shouldn't miss. The Amazon Big Spring Sale is set to kick off on Wednesday, March 20th, offering a 6-day shopping extravaganza with discounts on a wide range of products, including fitness equipment, clothing, cleaning supplies, and seasonal items. What's notable about the sale, in contrast to Prime Day, is its accessibility to all customers, though Prime members might have the perk of exclusive deals. This could be an opportune moment to consider a free Prime trial membership for those who haven't yet subscribed. This sale marks Amazon's first major spring sale event, following a similar UK-only sale last year. Predicting the extent and quality of deals might be challenging, but we're set to curate the best offers throughout the sale. We've highlighted a selection of early deals currently available on Amazon, including a substantial discount on Nintendo Switch games, with prices starting at just $19. To maximize savings, consider exploring our compilation of the best Amazon promo codes. Here's a glimpse at some of the early deals from the Amazon Big Spring Sale. Adidas sale, offers starting $5. Skechers Go Walk High-Waisted Bike Short, reduced from $39 to $18. Fire TV Stick 4K Max 2023, priced down from $59 to $39. Cleaning supplies, spend $60 and receive a $15 credit. Blink Outdoor 4, discounted from $119 to $64. Bose SoundLink Micro, now $99, down from $119. Samsung 24-inch Odyssey G32A, marked down from $249 to $162. Sony WH-1000XM4, reduced from $348 to $248. Sonos Move 2, priced down from $429 to $359. 10.9-inch iPad Air, Wi-Fi and 64GB, now available for $449, which was previously $599. LG C3 4K OLED TV sale, starting from $996. MacBook Air 15-inch M3 256GB, reduced from $1,299 to $1,234. The Amazon Big Spring Sale isn't just a chance to snap up bargains on spring-related items, but also a period to access exclusive deals, especially for Prime members. The sale begins on March 20th and continues through March 25th, with new deals emerging daily. Even for those who aren't Prime members, there's still a bounty of savings to be had.